Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine. And you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss some grammatical errors, right? Generally found in a passage. Here is a passage. This is one night. One night it was rain. No, the answer is it was raining. One night it was raining. This is the mistake. Raining. Right? Cats and dog. ମୁଷଳ ଧାରାରେ ବର୍ଷା ହେଉଥିଲା. Scorpion means what? ବିଛୁ କଙ୍କଡ଼ା. A scorpion crawled to our house. ଆମ ଘରକୁ ଗୁରୁଣ୍ଡି ପଳେଇ ଆସିଲା. To our house and stung my mother. ମୋ ମାଆକୁ ଫୋଡ଼ିଦେଲା ତା ଶୁଣ୍ଢରେ. ବିଛୁ କଙ୍କଡ଼ା ମାରିଦେଲା. She could not but cried in pain. She could not but cried in pain.
Cry.
She could not but cry. This is not cried. This is could not cry.
पे डू लिखते
এটা could আছে past tense আছে. Right? Neighbors called to us. The neighbors. Could you understand? The neighbors.
So small letter.
It will become small letter. The neighbors called on us. On us. They uttered the name of God. They uttered the name of God 100 times. They uttered 100 times. 100 plural, so S should be used. 100 times. To paralyze, पंगु कर देवाको. The evil one. Could you understand? ये जो पिचासर ये जो विषयटाको कमजोर करियाको. एटी पिचास के हु इज द एविल वन स्कॉर्पियन. दे फियर इफ द स्कॉर्पियन मूव्ड. The poison may. This should be past tense because it is all are in the passage in past tense. The passage is written in past tense, so it should be may should be might. Move in the mother's blood. ତାଙ୍କେ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରୁଥିଲେ ଯେ ଯଦି ସେ ପଳେଇବ ସ୍କର୍ପିଅନ୍ ପଳେଇବ ତାହେଲେ କି ତାକୁ ଇ କରିଦେବ ତାମାନେ ବିଷ ଜରିଯିବ ଇନ୍ ମଦର୍ସ ବ୍ଲଡ୍. ଦେ ଲୁକ୍ଡ ଫର୍ ଦି ସ୍କର୍ପିଅନ୍. ଖୋଜାଖୋଜି କଲେ ବାଇ କ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡେଲ୍ସ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଲଣ୍ଠନ୍ସ. ଲଣ୍ଠନ ଆଉ କ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡେଲ୍ ଧରିକିରି ବିତି ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ନଟ୍ ବାଇ ବିତି. ଦି ରାଇଟ୍ ପ୍ରିପୋଜିସନ୍ ଇଜ୍ ବିତି. 1 minute. With the candles and lanterns, they cast giant shadow on the mud walls. Right? They cast giant shadows, not shadows. Shadow means chaya. Shadows. The lantern आ मोमबत्ती ନେଇକିରି ଖୋଜାଖୋଜି କଲେ. ସେ ଲଣ୍ଠନ ମତେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର ସବୁ ଛାଇଆ ଯାକ ଛାଇ ପଡ଼ୁନି ଛାଇ ଯାକ ପକାଇଲେ କାପରେ କାନ୍ଥ ଉପରେ ମାଡୱାଲ୍ସ ମାଟି କାନ୍ଥ ଉପରେ. ଇଟ୍ ୱାଜ୍ ନଟ୍ ଫାଉଣ୍ଡ. ଇଟ୍ ୱାଜ୍ ନଟ୍ ଫାଉଣ୍ଡ. ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ୍ ନଟ୍ ଫାଉଣ୍ଡେଡ଼. ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଫାଉଣ୍ଡ. ଜଣା ଫାଇଣ୍ଡ ଫାଉଣ୍ଡ ନଟ୍ ଫାଉଣ୍ଡ. They quietly sat around. धीरे धीरे बसिले around mother while she continued. She continued to groan. Continued groaning. To groan. Let's remove So continued groaning, gaw ready କରୁଥିଲେ out of pain, with pain, with pain. Father was applied mixture. Father applied was not was applied a mixture of powders, and herbs. ତାଙ୍କୁ କ'ଣ କରୁଥିଲେ ମଲମ ଆଉ ଚେରମୂଳିକା ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରୁଥିଲେ ଅନ୍ ହେୟାର ବିଟେନ୍ ଟୋଏ, ଅନ୍ ହେୟାର ବିଟେନ୍ ଯେଉଁଠିକି ଚୋବେଇ ଦେଇଥିଲା ସେଇଠି ଦେଉଥିଲେ. ଦେନ୍ ହି ନଟ୍ ଓନ୍ଲି ପୁଟ୍ ଏ ଲିଟିଲ୍ paraffin on the toe ବେଲେ ଆଙ୍ଗୁଠି and also lit it with a match to burn the poison away, but also not only put it on the toe but also and also no, this is but also lit it with a match to burn the poison away. Okay, I said to mother, how mother, how do you feel? This is do you feel. After 20 hours the pain, after 20 hours the pain subsided in past tense. Kami asila subsided. Mother said, mothers thank God the scorpion bit me and spared my children. ମୋ ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କୁ ଛାଡ଼ିଦେଲେ ମା ସେତେବେଳେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି. Could understand? ମୋତେ ଚୋବେଇ ଦେଲା ଭଲ ହେଲା, ମୋ ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କୁ ଚୋବେଇନି. Who said it? Mother said it. Next one is that is Prospero and his young daughter. Prospero and his young daughter Mirinda lived on a isolated island. ଗୋଟେ ନିର୍ଜନ ଦ୍ୱୀପରେ. Isolated ନିର୍ଜନ island ବୋଲେ ଦ୍ୱୀପ. Prospero was once the Duke of Milan. ସେ ରଜା ଥିଲେ. But had been driving away from power. By his wicked brothers. Driving away, that is drove, driven, okay, driven away from power by his wicked ଦୁଷ୍ଟ ଭାଇ Antonio ତାକୁ ଗାଦିଚ୍ୟୁତ କରିଦେଲା. One day Antonio along with his friends were at sea in a ship. Could understand? And were at sea in a ship. Next one is Prospero raised a storm by the driven farm or out of power by his wicked brother Antonio. One day Antonio along with his friends. One day Antonio on an island. Yes, right. So one day Antonio along with his friends was କାହିଁ subject ହେଉଛି Antonio at sea in a ship. Prospero raised a storm, ଗୋଟେ ଝଡ଼ ସୃଷ୍ଟି କରିଦେଲା. By the help of Ariel, with the help of, not by the help of, with the help of Ariel. Ariel guided Antonio and his friends to safety. ନିରାପଦ ସ୍ଥାନକୁ ତାକୁ ନେଇଗଲା. Okay, where is the cursor? Hello, where is the cursor? Okay. He led Ferdinand, could understand? Lead, this should be past in a tense. He led Ferdinando, Prince of Naples, to Prosperous cave. When Ferdinand and Mirinda met, both of them fell in love in first sight. प्रथम देखारे आगे से माने love रे पड़ीगले. Prosperous thought that love too easily own. Prosperous thought that love too easily own might not, may is present tense, might is past tense, so it should be might. M-I-G-H-D. Might not last long. बेसी दिन जीवनी. He muttered, धीरे धीरे कहला. If he loves, not Billy love, that is loves. If he loves, if class सदाळे simple रहतो. So if he loves my daughter, he will not disobey me. He will not disobey. मते अमान्य करिबनी. He decided that he would do. He decided that he will. This is should be past tense. Would do. W-O-U-L-D. Would do. Comma. Remove comma. Would do. He would put the lovers in the test. Put the lovers to test. Obviously to test, not in test. That is to test. Correct preposition is. He made Ferdinand do. This is do. Do. A series of manual tasks. Series of manual tasks. Tasks as plural. Tasks to test the princess resolve. ତାଙ୍କର ଦୃଢ଼ ମନୋବୃତ୍ତି ଜାଣିବା ପାଇଁ to the young princess resolve. Mirinda was said to see Ferdinand carrying ing ଧରି ବୋଇ ଧରି ଯାଉଥିବାର carrying locks for her father. They exchanged vows. ଶପଥ ସବୁ କଲେ. ଦୁଇ ଜଣ ଯାକ ଶପଥ କଲେ. vows of love for each other. Prosperous secretly looked on with approval. And that is the end of today's grammatical error finding in the passage. We will discuss more in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.